Hello guys, look, this has Jana.
See, I just found Diana.
I like a superhero in this.
See?
I like a superhero
in Canada, guys. Look, we have different sizes.
I just put in these here, Mommy. I put in.
See, that's Raya.
But remember
the last dragon.
But remember we watched this movie?
Remember?
Yeah.
Yeah.
So we're gonna buy that.
See, and the dragon.
We're gonna buy that, Bobby. We're gonna buy that. Yeah.
Good.
So guys, look what I brought. So look. Ta-da! Ta-da! It has Jana.
See?
I love her.
You love her?
Yay! I can take her mask off.
Wow.
Okay. She has a breast.
Superheroine.
She looks cool.
Superhero Diana. See?
Wait, I got cut this thing. Look guys, look, it's so cute, is it? Look guys, she's gonna ride, she's ready. Oh, I want to take her mask off.
Powers?
Yeah.
Can she ride her skateboard?
Yeah, she can fly, ride, and skateboard, look.
Oh my goodness!
And she
upside down skateboard?
Yeah, she can go upside down.
Upside down skate. Caballo. Caballo.
Come with me. Okay, I'm gonna get off now. I can get off by myself. Come down with me.
Caballo.